Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
From fortunately where we are on the central coast of California, we are able to, say, drive up to the Rubicon for a weekend, run the Jeep through the Rubicon and drive it back, you know? And this new Wrangler platform is pretty incredible. You drive up there, no problem, get good gas mileage. I think last time I did that, I got 16 miles a gallon combined. No problems on the trail at all, and just all the way home. So this particular Jeep is the 4-cylinder turbo, and we've had really good luck with it. It's pretty impressive. Compared to the V6 we have, it's definitely faster in a straight line. Are on stock gears on 35s, no problem. We've been getting about 19 miles a gallon combined city highway. It does have a little bit of turbo lag, so on some very slow speed, steep obstacles, you definitely have to left foot brake it and get it to spool up a little bit. This JL has our stage 1 kit, and that consists of springs, bump stop spacers, a front track bar, rear track bar bracket, and then the shocks to get the extra travel out of those springs. This allows you to fit 35s on a stock Sport or Sahara without trimming the fenders or anything. We've been using this, lots of off-road miles on it, don't rub the fenders, don't have any issues, don't need to trim anything. On this particular Jeep right now, we've got stock Rubicon wheels with wheel spacers. That helps clear the rear shocks. With a smaller shock, with a 2.0, you can fit a 35 on a stock Rubicon wheel without needing to run wheel spacers. We also have our steering on it. Steering's a weak link on these, and as soon as you hit it with a rock, it will bend. Ours is heat-treated chromoly, just like on the JKs, and they can withstand a lot of abuse. We do have a Rubicon bumper on this one. The steel bumper with the ears off of it really gives you a lot more tire clearance and a lot more ground clearance. We've got the Warn winch. You need them, especially with open diffs. So we've got the Nitto Ridge Grapplers on this guy, and we have them aired down right now to 10. We've gone as low as 8 out here. Non-beadlocks, no problems, no sidewall issues. These Ridge Grapplers really are amazing. They find traction everywhere. We run them on almost all of our Jeeps, and we have no issues with them whatsoever. They're super quiet on the road, they ride real nice, they last a long time, and I mean, we got this through Pritchett on these things with open diffs. So I think that's enough said. I don't think you want it.